Hi guys, I just wanted to get together and have a look at this, just one last example of where you might use the laws of logs. So we've got this question here, and I think a simple thing to do for a start would be to get everything with logs on one side. So 2 log 5x minus log 5 6 is equal to 1. And I think you would think, okay, I can use that subtraction rule there, but you can't yet, and it's because of this 2 that you can't. So what we have to do is we have to use the power law of logs. Now previously we've said that x to the power of 5, if you take a log to that, that's the same as 5 log x, and we've always gone in that direction, but you can go in the opposite direction. So thinking about having moved in that opposite direction from this example, this here is log to the base 5x minus log to the base 5x squared, so that power comes up, log to the base 5 6 equals 1. So then I can say, okay, well, this is log to the base 5 of x squared over 6, which equals 1. So I'm saying that this would have to be 5 to the power of 1. So 5 to the power of 1 is equal to x squared over 6. So x squared is equal to 30, so x is equal to plus or minus root 30, which is okay, but then you might think, well, okay, can I take the log of a negative? And the answer is no, you can't take the log of a negative, because you can't take anything to the power of something to make it a negative answer. So when you think of your exponential graphs, they always look like that. So there's never a negative value, and the log graph looks like this. So you can't take log of a negative. So you can't take log of a negative, so that means x cannot be negative here. So x is equal to root 30. So let's play my calculator. Leave my white one. So I've got 2 log to the base 5 of root 30 minus log to the base 5 of 6 equals 1. So that's the correct answer. So interesting here, some really good points there. You can't take log of a negative, and the fact that you couldn't use the subtraction law here without taking that power up there and making that x squared, and then so there's nothing before the logs in order to allow you to make that rule. One final thing that I want to talk about anything to the power of 0 is 1. So if you took log to the base of anything of 1, you always get 0. Okay? So log to the base anything of 1 is 0, and that's something that should stick in your head as well. That's just an extra. But here you must always bring the power down before you, sorry, almost take the power up before you can use that subtraction law. Okay?